JCat Beauties. This is Avel of the universe, your JCat Beauty Hallokween of 2018. I'm here to serve you what you've been waiting for. I am serving you some fine, fresh, fierce, feline and glamorous makeup look for this Hallokween. This look is about your fantasy and your reality. Just two of the most scariest things in the world. So half of my face is going to be about fantasy and half of it is going to be reality. As you go along this video, you will also learn about your inner JCat beauty. The beauty that comes from within. Watch me transform from this to this. Let's get it! It smells so good. I don't know why, but it smells so good. Can we eat this? Can we eat this? You should never forget about the ears. You gotta make it look all in the same complexion. I am so loving this product. But hindi ko to na-try before. I want this product in all shades. This is the best cardio I've ever done. I feel so powerful with this foundation. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, my complexion. My complexion. I can't believe this. It's Halloween, so it's about time we all get a little bit crazy. You know, JCat is all about craziness with the products. From matte to glossy to glittery to shimmery. Everything, honey. If you want makeup that's creative, you gotta go to JCat Beauty. Take some of this and mix it with some of this and then go back here and then go back here, back and forth and back and forth, because I want to get my shade. Just a random question. What is your favorite product from JCat? I wanna know. I wanna know because people want to know. So leave your comment down below because we all want to know. I like to use my finger when applying my concealer because I feel like skin to skin application is one of the best. So if you guys didn't know, there are 6 JCat stores in the Philippines. You better check their products out. They're so pigmented, no lie. To be a cat is about being creative, being sexy, being confident, being kind, being accepting, being free, being understanding about everything in the world. So if you're a JCat beauty, y'all better be nice. Because that is the beauty that comes from within. So kasama ko dito ngayon si Mel, April, Rina, at kahapon nakausap ko si Belle from the JCat store here in Eastwood. And with me right now, behind the camera is Pam and Zab. I just want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity and for actually letting me do this in the store. Thank you. So, alright! Moving on! is almost hitting the spot. I'm just gonna pop some lashes and some lenses. I'm almost done, so I feel like taking this up to the next level. So we're gonna go out and do some more of this and finish this while walking around the mall. Come with me. So before I do my highlighter, I'm just gonna spritz some of this to prepare my skin to absorb the best highlighter ever. We're just gonna go here. We're gonna ask people, we're gonna shock people. Galing kami sa JCat. Yeah.
JCat ano nila kuya? Sige po.
So I wanted to go around the mall just to finish my video, but Kuya Gar did not let us do that. Where is freedom, people? Like, I'm basically promoting the mall. But you know what? I'm gonna do it here in JCat because JCat is a place where everyone is accepted and everyone can do anything. So I'm just gonna do this and just highlight the high points of my cheekbones up to the Lord. Yes. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about pigment, people. JCat does not play. Meow. Is it too much? Is this too much to you? Because nothing is ever too much to me. And JCat is all about creativity. So now I'm done with my look. Let's see you all on the 27th at the awards. Thank you so much for watching this video. JCat Hallokween here, Avel.